Hey Technostuds, just like every module, I'll remind you again, it's really important to know how to troubleshoot. It's a big part of the job. And so let's learn how to troubleshoot access control lists. I have made one modification to our access control list to drive home this point. I've got this deny ICMP any that's in here. We should still be able to get to permit ICMP any from any device to host 10.2.0.5. So that's what I'm doing down here is I'm pinging 10.2.0.5, but I'm not successful. So I've blocked this traffic somehow, even though I'm permitting it. And so, there's something wrong with this. So we need to figure out what's going on with it. So I'm gonna jump onto router 1. So here's router 1. I'm gonna let's start out by doing a show access -lists here, and you can see 10 permit ICMP. Okay, so it's supposed to be matching that. In fact, it says it's matching that, and deny ICMP any permit. Okay, so this is all looking correct to me. So that is not where the issue is. The next I'm going to do is show run. And I'll scroll through here. This is applied to the fast Ethernet 01. And I see IP access -group my ACL out. So if I were to pull this up, that means that R1, that's traffic that's going from R1 out into this network. And so if I'm going from the source of any, so source of any from out here, to the 10.2.0.5, that's out this interface, that's the destination, that would be down here. So that's the problem, is that this is being applied going into this network right here. What we actually want to do is we want it for traffic going this way to this switch right here. It's supposed to be permitting traffic to this switch right here, ping traffic to that switch. So what we have here is that it's going the wrong direction. It's being applied in the wrong direction. So what we can do to correct this is we get into that interface. So conft interface FA01. I'm going to do a no statement on this interface, or not the interface, but this IP access group, my ACL out. So I'll do that. I'm gonna do that. I'll right click again. Notice now it's taken off. So we are pinging this 10.2.0.5, but we're also pinging other devices on that network, and that's not what we wanted. So now we change that from out to in, we hit enter, and pretty quickly, now we are pinging that switch and we're not pinging other devices on that network. This is what we wanted. We are good to go. We fixed the issue, and now it's operating as designed.